Hi guys, this is Richa and I welcome you to this video lesson on what is a noun and the difference between a singular number noun and a plural number noun. Let's get started. So guys, what a noun basically means? What is the definition of a noun? A noun is a word used as the name of a person, place, thing, or an idea or a feeling. So whenever in a sentence you use a word to refer to a person, place, thing, or a feeling or an idea by its name, that becomes a noun. Singular number noun. Noun that denotes a single person or thing is a singular number noun. So whenever you're talking about one person or a thing, that is a singular number noun. Example, book, one book, tree, bird, pen, table, vessel. These are all singular number noun because all these denote one thing or person or place. Plural number noun is a noun that denotes more than a single person or a thing is a plural number noun. Examples, books, trees, birds, pens, tables, vessels. So to form the plural, you just added in s, right? You added in s to the singular form. So many of the nouns and words become a plural just by adding in s, but there is more to it. So we'll learn about that someday as well. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can stay updated on more of my upcoming videos. Do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and mention in the comment section how you liked it. And I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye for now. Take care.